Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering key questions about why hiring a digital marketing specialist makes a real difference in your advertising results. Let's dive in. Why should I hire a digital marketing specialist to manage my ads? Because strategy matters. A digital marketing specialist knows how to get your ads in front of the right people, using smart targeting, strong keywords, and data-driven tactics to maximize your return on investment. What's the importance of having specific expertise for Google Ads, Meta Ads, and TikTok ads? Each platform is different. Google, Meta, and TikTok all have their own rules, algorithms, and user behaviors. A digital marketing specialist understands these nuances and tailors your campaigns for each platform to get the best results. How can a digital marketing specialist improve the performance of my ads? By making your ads smarter. They analyze data, adjust your campaigns in real time, and test new ideas to improve results. That means more visibility, better click quality, and higher conversions without wasting budget. What are the long-term benefits of investing in professional digital ad management? It's not just about quick wins, it's about building a strong foundation. With expert management, your brand stays consistent, your ads stay optimized, and your strategy evolves with the market. That's how you grow, and keep growing. Ready to take your ads to the next level with a digital marketing specialist? We're here to help. Reach out today, or check out the next video in this playlist for more ways to grow your business. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.